The Maharashtra elections of 2024 have delivered significant political shifts, highlighting new leadership dynamics, voter preferences, and the evolving state of India's political landscape. Here are 5 key takeaways that reveal how this election could shape the future of Indian politics. Decline of dynastic politics. Dynastic leaders like Sharad Pawar and the Thackeray's have faced major losses. Voters are losing faith in dynasties that don't deliver, pushing some parties to consider mergers. Congress faces big challenges, especially with its outdated leadership and ideology. Emerging leaders. Devendra Fadnavis in Maharashtra is gaining momentum for a strong return as chief minister. Leaders like Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar signal a shift away from traditional dynastic politics. Changing voter preferences. Voters are moving away from anti-corporate views and want aspirational narratives. Welfare schemes in Maharashtra and Jharkhand have been popular, proving their effectiveness. BJP's comeback and success. The BJP has bounced back strongly from setbacks in the summer general elections. In Maharashtra, the party is set to win more assembly seats than in previous state and general elections. Congress party's struggles. Congress has won only 20% of the seats it contested, showing weak performance. The opposition lacks unity and clear messaging, which fails to attract voters. Young voters lean towards BJP's growth-focused agenda rather than Congress's anti-corporate stance.